the management, faculty, staff, Mr. Basu, and my dear students of Sri Prakash Vidya Niketan, Vizag. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I extend my warm greetings to all of you. Independence Day of India. We have taken birth in free India. However, this freedom was achieved due to sacrifices of number of freedom fighters from across the country. We would always remain grateful to them and should remember and pay tribute to them. We must also remember those who shaped the destiny of India with vision and wisdom. India is now like a beacon to the world, with its glorious culture, traditions, and its growing power. People from across the globe have been acknowledging this. It adds to our pride and self-esteem and motivates us to continue to work towards making India strong. As an army veteran, I have been fortunate that my dream of serving the motherland through army was fulfilled. I have served number of times on the borders in Jammu and Kashmir, and I have taken part in number of operations against enemies of India. I have served in temperature -50 degree to +50 degree centigrade to maintain the sanctity of borders and to ensure India remains a free country. The armed forces are operating in such difficult areas and weather conditions because they have passion for motherland. Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra of Kargil operation had shown this passion when he wrote to his parents during operations, either I'll come back after hoisting the tricolor or I will come back wrapped in it, but I'll come back for sure. He was totally focused on throwing the Pakistanis out of our land, even if he had to sacrifice his life. Major Somnath Sharma, the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra, while saving the Kashmir in 1947, had said, "The enemies are only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but will fight to our last man and our last round." These are just couple of examples of passion of people who made supreme sacrifice for the sake of motherland. At present, our country is going through tough time due to COVID-19 and trouble on borders. My appeal to you all is that every citizen of the country must think like a soldier, must behave like a soldier. When we are on border fighting to save freedom of our motherland, our expectations from the citizens is that the whole country should be one. We should be together and we should rise above caste, color and creed and religion. We must all think of nation first and we should be proud Indian. Every Indian has a patriotic feeling and everyone wants to do something for the country. So wherever you are, whatever you are doing, please do to the best of your ability with honesty and dedication. That's the best service for the motherland. Let us all pledge dedication, commitment and patriotism, not just for today, but all times to come. Independence Day is just a reminder to all of us. Towards the end, I would like to convey my best wishes and pray to God for His blessings for all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.